Welcome to the Professional Certification in Java Developer and Generative AI video. We offer 2 tracks, Foundation for Core Java Programming and Advanced plus Gen AI for Professional Java Development and Generative AI Integration. These programs are flexible, instructor-led, and career-ready. Why learn Java? It remains the backbone of enterprise software, with over 90% of Fortune 500 companies relying on it. Java offers mission-critical stability, a massive job market, and seamless synergy with AI for building next-generation intelligent applications. Our 2 programs cater to different skill levels. Track 01, the Advanced Certification in Java Programming, focuses on core Java and is ideal for beginners. Track 02, the Professional Certification, covers full-stack backend development, microservices, and generative AI integration, perfect for aspiring engineers. Track 01, the Foundation level, takes 8 to 10 weeks and includes 3 credentials, 2 IBM badges, and 1 BIT certificate. It covers Java fundamentals and object-oriented programming, providing a job-ready foundation for beginners and non-CS graduates. Track 02, the Advanced plus Generative AI track, offers 10 credentials, including certificates from IBM, IIT Patna, and BIT. This comprehensive 8-module path covers everything from core Java to Spring Framework mastery, cloud-native fundamentals, and generative AI integration for Java developers. A side-by-side comparison shows Track 01 focuses on core Java foundations at 30% depth. Track 02 is an advanced professional level at 100% depth, covering Spring Boot, microservices, and Gen AI. Both tracks include instructor-led training and mentor support. A career in Java offers high-demand roles like Java developer, backend engineer, microservices developer, and AI integrated developer. These roles leverage skills in Spring Boot, Docker, Kubernetes, and generative AI APIs. In India, the Java job market shows strong salary trends, with senior roles earning 12 to 25 lakh per annum and top-tier roles reaching over 40 lakh. Specialized skills like Spring Boot, microservices, and AI integrations command a skills premium. This roadmap outlines the journey from Java basics to job-ready expertise, covering OOP, Spring, microservices, and Gen AI. The program supports career transitions for students, QA professionals, and legacy developers into high-demand roles like junior developer and AI-enabled developer. Your learning experience includes the IBM BIT LMS portal with cloud-based coding labs, expert-led training with flexible batches and doubt clinics, and dedicated career acceleration support, including placement assistance. Choose these certifications for industry credibility and applied, flexible learning. Track 01 is for foundation skills, while Track 02 targets advanced Java development with generative AI. Mastering both Java and Python provides a significant career edge in Gen AI roles. Start your Java journey today by choosing your track and completing the enrollment process. You will register, gain LMS access, join live sessions, and finally get certified. Ready to transform your career? Enroll now.